This is my newest version of the Statorless motor. The idea of this is that it's a compass. These magnets make the compass point north. And as you can see, the entire thing turns on a swivel and there's nothing underneath it. And it's got a servo, and the servo turns the magnet. So obviously when the magnet turns, it's not going to be pointing north. So the magnet is going to try to point north, and that's going to make the whole thing turn, the whole motor turn. So what controls it is a microcontroller and two light dependent resistors, LDRs, that are here and over here. So let me turn the light on. And this is pretty amazing because it illustrates just how powerful Earth's magnetic field really is. We've all been told ever since we were kids that it's so tiny and it's less than a refrigerator magnet, and it's 1/10,000th the size of a refrigerator magnet. But because the Earth is so big, it all adds up. And the proportion between, or the relationship between a magnet turning and Earth is 1 over the distance. So if you assume the Earth's magnet is 1,000 miles under the ground, this magnet is made of 4 or 5 neodymium magnets, which are maybe 0.2 Tesla. And the Earth's magnetic field is like really small compared to that. But the distance is the relationship between the two, so 1 times 1 over d. So a powerful magnet really does have quite a bit of power to turn in Earth's magnetic field. Now these were used with satellites sometimes. They're called magnetorquers. They're actually coils or electromagnets, and they're used to orient satellites orbiting the Earth. But most of them only work up to about 200 or 300 miles high. So just to illustrate how powerful Earth's magnetic field is, that's what I want to show with this. And there are applications. For example, there's a Statorless motor. This is called the Statorless motor because it has no motor. It's like a regular motor, but it has no magnets around it. Like a DC motor would have a magnet around it, and it would push off the magnet as the coil in the middle, the armature changed polarities. But this, what it's doing is it's a permanent magnet, and it has no stator, except the Earth is a stator. But this is a variation I believe I invented that is a permanent magnet statorless motor. And it's really much lighter and more powerful than an electromagnet, at least for its scale. Now, there's an application, there's a patent someone has on the statorless motor that can be used with an MRI. Because as you know, MRIs have strong magnetic fields. So what it is, it's just a regular motor that has no magnets around it. It uses the magnet from the excessive magnetic field from the MRI to drive it. And it operates things like fans and pumps and such. So that's my video. I hope you like it. Give me a like, subscribe, and give me a rumble. And I'm going to turn out the light, and it's going to shut off and coast. Thanks for watching.